piping hot. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here. Assisted living. Husband is assisting me. Yeah, scrape it all out, especially the herbs. Those are fresh herbs, by the way, from my garden. Okay, let's see. Thank you, Sonia. So I did put seafood in here, like a seafood medley. So we're just gonna wait for it to thicken. Oh, it looks so good. Got some shrimp, got some squid, got some scallops. Let me show you what I put in. Sorry, I couldn't find the container that had the fish, the seafood, but it's a medley of, you know, like seafood items. So what I have here is peppers, onion, tomatoes, mushrooms, and then I have the herb basil, parsley, and oregano. And then I did like salt and pepper, and always Aromat, never left behind. Oh, another thing I forgot, I put in where is it? I put in this this here, which is like a season mix. Okay, so don't judge us. We're going to have
Say when.
When. So here's my final product. I just sprinkled a little bit of Parmesan. Bon appetit.